Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset a Stiebel Eltron water heater. Before starting, make sure to follow basic safety precautions. First, go to your home's electrical panel and switch off all circuit breakers connected to the water heater. This is an important step because it prevents power from reaching the unit while you are working on it. Next, move to the water heater and locate the retaining screws that hold the front cover in place. These screws are usually found on the side or bottom of the unit. Remove them carefully and gently swing the front cover open toward you. With the cover open, look for the thermal safety reset buttons, also known as high-limit switches. These are typically located at the top of each copper heating vessel or near the safety thermal cutout. Once you find the reset button, use an insulated tool or the eraser end of a pencil to press it down firmly. If the switch has tripped, you should hear a small click, which indicates that the reset was successful. After resetting the switch, close the front cover and reinstall the screws. Make sure the cover is properly secured before restoring power. Finally, return to the electrical panel and switch all the circuit breakers back on. Allow the water heater a few minutes to start operating again, then check if hot water is available. If the reset button continues to trip or the heater still does not work, further inspection or professional service may be required. Thanks for watching.